First, you want to get about 5 to 6 avocados and you cut them in half. And then you want to remove the seed. Now that you have removed all your avocado seeds, all you need to do is squeeze the avocado out when you turn it around. You can squeeze it out yourself, or you can use a spoon and take it out. Once you finish taking out all the avocado flesh, you want to spread all the avocado out evenly on the tray. Try to make it as thin as possible. You can take a fork to mush it down if your avocado is harder. And you kind of want to make it like a paste, almost like a kind of texture of mashed potatoes. That way you're able to spread it out evenly. Once you spread it all out, make sure it's even throughout. You want it to be not so thick, but not so thin. That way when you rotate your avocado, it can be all the same. Make sure you take all the chunks out and you smooth it through the pan to make sure it's even on all sides. You can leave your avocado out on the counter. I like to put it in the oven to keep it out of the way, but you're not going to heat it. You're just going to let it sit there. We're going to leave it for about 3 to 4 days, and the best is to turn the avocado every 6 hours. So I'll check back with you guys every 6 hours. Okay, so now I have opened it and you see this is how it's looking after 6 hours. We are going to flip this, and what you're doing is you want to make the same, this whole side that's facing the top, you want it to face the bottom. So that's the goal. Okay, so I'm going to flip it in sections. I think it kind of makes it a little bit easier for me. And you can see how green the other side is. So I was going to use something else, but I'm just going to use the spatula I have here, and I'm just going to spread it out again. You could already see from my finger all of the oil, and I was just taking that off just to put it back on the tray. But look at that. Isn't that amazing? Okay, now we're going to put it back in. I'm going to put it back in the oven. Remember, the oven is not on. I'm just leaving it in there to air it out and keep it out of the way. Okay, see you back in 6 hours. I'm not going to flip this again, but I'm going to mix it. So I'm going to take the inside and see, now the middle is green, not the back, not the front. So I'm going to have to mix it now. So the bottom and the top are brown. Okay, 6 more hours. We'll be back. Okay, so we're here, we're back again. We're gonna flip this thing. It is smelling like decayed body parts. I'm just saying, that's how it smells. Here we go. You see how oily and amazing it is? I mean, if you can just disregard the smell. Look, I moved it with this side. This side I did not even use. And look how oily that is. Is that not heaven? I want to smooth it all out again. Try to mix it up. All right, and there we go again. Look at that spatula. It looks like everything, right? I love it. Okay, see you guys in the morning. Here we can see all the oil and the goodness going around. And I'm going to take this avocado and I'm going to put it in a bowl. Okay, now that we have our avocado ready, I'm going to use a strainer like a cheesecloth to strain the avocado oil out of the avocado. I'm going to put my almost cheesecloth strainer in here, and I'm going to scoop up my avocado on the inside, and I'm going to put it right here. Alright, I'm scraping everything out and I'm putting it into the strainer. Once we got it in, I have everything in here. Okay, it's already, I already have a lot of the oil coming out. I'm so excited. Look at this, it's so pretty. Oh my gosh, look at this, it's amazing. Look at that, it's absolutely gorgeous. We do it like this. Wow.